Hi everybody and welcome to another session on Speed Maths. In this session we'll cover a special multiplication trick that is used for special numbers. Let's say I need to multiply two numbers 62 and 68. So I'll need to find out what exactly would be 62 times 68. And here is the answer. Trust me, you'll need no more time than I did to reach at this correct answer. That is because these two numbers are special. Let's first of all look at what exactly makes these two numbers special. Two simple things. 1. The unit digit of both the numbers adds up to 10. So first of all, I need to make sure that the unit digit gives a total of 10. That means if here you have a 2, you'll have an 8 over here. If you have a 3 over here, that means you'll need a 7 over here, or if you have a 4, you'll need a 6 over here, and so on and so on. That's the first. Second, the remaining number should exactly be the same. So if I have a 6 over here, I need to have a 6 over here as well. Now that's what makes these two numbers special. Now let's write the numbers again and find out how exactly we reached at the answer. I wrote 62 times 68 is 4216. Now first let's look at the first half of the answer. That's 42. Now what was the number here? The number here is 6. Fine. What would come in the number system? What would come after the number 6? Well, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you need to multiply this number with the next number. That is, you multiply the 6 with the 7, and here you are. That's your first part of the answer, 42. Now you can very well see how we reached at the second half of the answer, 16. That was quite easy. 2 times 8, that's the last digit of the first number times the last digit of the second number, that's 16, and that's it. Here you are at the answer. Let's look at another number and take a good example out of it. 73 times 77. Before you proceed, you must quickly check that these two numbers satisfy the conditions we have put up for them being special numbers. Well, the numbers are the same to start with, that's 7 and 7, and the unit digit adds up to 10. So fine, we are absolutely set. And what you do next is, the next number after 7 is 8. That's in the number system 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you do is you find out 7 times 8. That's quite easy. That's 56. That's the first half of the answer. The second half of the answer is simply derived at by simply multiplying these two numbers. The last digit 7 and the last digit 3. 7 times 3 gives me 21. And here you are. That's your answer, 5621. Let's see. I'll give you another number and let's see if you can work it out. I have 54 times 56. You know, in fact, even before I write the second number, you already knew I was going to write 56, because if this is a 5 over here, there has to be a 5 over here. And to make a total of 10, if I have written a 4 over here, this must necessarily carry 10 less 4. That should carry 6. So I'm sure you knew I was going to write 56. But anyway, what's the answer? Well, 5 times 6 gives me 30. So that gives the first half of my answer. And 4 times 6 gives me 24. And there you are. 3024 is your correct answer. I just want to make sure you understood a small aspect of this multiplication before I sign off. Let's say I had a number 51 times 59. Well, no tricks in the number. The conditions are satisfied. 5, the unit digit 1 and 9 add up to 10. So I was going to write 309. But hold it for a second. This can't be true. Even 50 times 50 would have been bigger than this. Actually, I need to understand that the first answer will work out all right by itself. The second part of the answer, what I have written is 1 times 9. I need to always remember that this should always be written as a 2-digit number. So I should not be writing 309. I should first write 30. And what exactly is 1 times 9? 1 times 9 is 9, but I'll express it as a 2-digit number, so it should be written as 09, and that's it. This 3009 is your final answer. Well, just before signing off, I'll take one more special number. I have 81 times 89. I'm sure you know this number. So 81 times 89. Condition satisfied? 8, 8. Yeah, okay. 1 plus 9, that's 10. 8 times the next number, that's 9. 8 times 9 is 72. 1 times 9 gives me 9, but don't forget I need to express it as a 2-digit number, so it should become 7209, and there you are. So remember, you can use this for any numbers as long as the conditions are satisfied. You could also try it out what happens with a number like this, 122 times 128. Look at it, the conditions satisfied. 12, 12, and 2 times 8, that would give me the last 2 digits, 16. 2 plus 8 of course have to be 10, which we know are. Now 12 should be multiplied with the next number, which is 13. 12 times 13 is 156. So the entire answer is 15616. I would recommend that you work out first for 2-digit numbers, that is numbers falling between 10 and 99, before you move on to the 3-digit or 4-digit numbers. The method works fine across all numbers, but it's a good idea to start with a smaller number first. I hope you enjoyed this session. Do keep coming back for more of these sessions. Thank you for being with us.